Welcome to Top Moments TV, where dangerous and thrilling journeys await every second. This is not only a story about powerful machines, but also a song about endurance, determination, and courage in the harsh nature. Every turn, every screech of the wheels on slippery roads, all create a vivid picture of resilience, making viewers hold their breath and be excited. Winter logging in the mountains is not easy when you look at the logs loaded onto the truck. You think everything is going smoothly, but in reality, it is just the beginning. Pulling these heavy logs to the edge of the forest is an arduous journey. The slippery slopes are always a challenge, and bulldozers must be ready to assist. This work is not for those looking for an easy life. It takes perseverance and mental strength to not falter. The real hardship is a relentless battle with nature. When you see a big house rolling down the road, I feel like I have wandered into a sci-fi movie scene. Central movers with over 30 years of experience have made the impossible a reality in New Zealand. Who would have thought that houses could go on a road trip? These trucks pull the whole house, not only the toy car, but the whole house system turns left and right as an unusual travel companion proves the unparalleled professionalism of this team excavator. Volvo 480 has just completed its mission in Oslo with excellence, but still no time to rest. Come visit it immediately it is on the road. Each heavy truck is like an iron warrior, having to struggle to bear the weight of the huge cargo on steep and muddy roads. The screeching sound of the wheels when passing through the mud is not only the sound of steel and engine, but also the beat of courage, like a challenge to all obstacles on this harsh road. The driver is like a brave soldier in the deep forest, facing the bumpy, flooded roads without fear. Valmet 843, Valtra 6650. Legendary machines are not just tools of labor, but symbols of technical perfection and ultimate power. Each of their artistic dance, blending human skills and modern technology. Watching them overcome the muddy terrain, lifting giant logs with confident grace, viewers cannot help but admire and admire. The classic Soviet Skidder TT4 machine has a different shade, not flashy, but durable and resilient.
Zbliżenie są.
It is like a reliable friend, not afraid of hardship, ready to charge into any dangerous terrain, like a living legend in the logging industry. For it, tornadoes or mud are not obstacles, because its only goal is to complete the task, regardless of time. Each Komatsu machine is a symbol of strength and confidence. Seeing the way it lifts logs as if they were nothing, people are easily drawn into its smooth and rhythmic movements. This is not just work, but art, a symphony of technology and human strength, creating a scene that viewers cannot take their eyes off. And don't miss the powerful Log 6, crushing all challenges under its tracks, with the overwhelming power to pull 14 tons of wood through all kinds of harsh conditions. It is a symbol of durability and reliability, showing that technology can create truly extraordinary machines. If you find these moments worthwhile, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to join us on the journey to discover the best moments from Top Moments TV. Get ready. ready for explosive emotions and thrills every second.
Amerika 2 kanalına gösterin.